shot. You got stamina.
And I'll tell you one thing, you're not the first people I'm going to go tow out of there, but you are the furthest up the trail that I've seen anybody.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Virginia boys.
There's the snowcat that get us out.
This is me buried on Ohio Path.
What you got? Manure for brains. From
Who's this? Cool Hand Luke.
It says Camp Jeep up here. It doesn't say a couple of pass.
Ohio Pass.
Get this on camera?
Oh yeah.
I'm up to the wall.
And you know you got to choose your fight. Cause there's not much left and that's not right. And this the time and place to make it so. But it's a long, long, long and past this road. Slow and steady climb. 1 mile at a time. Slow and steady climb.
Yeah, there we go.
1 mile at a time.
This is the West Virginia Effort Engineering. They're hooking up a Jeep Cherokee to a snowcat. The fork.
at the fork, not the first.
Not the first fork, the second fork.
coming in, but the second fork coming in.
The main fork. Here's us going back to the Jeep because it can't get going. If you see the Jeep, we are now in snow. See how close that is? Because we are sinking. This is like a snow plow, but different. Yeah, see, we are vertical now. The snow plow is straight, we are vertical. Woohoo! Okay. Now we are vertical this way. We are vertical this way. That's what Brandon said to get us in this situation. It was just snow. Do not go off-roading where there's 5 foot of snow all over the road.
Yeah. Where's Pumpkin was dragging?
Yeah.
What was dragging?
Pumpkin. The middle of the.
Oh yeah.
And over here too.
I'm gonna try to stay in the middle of you two. Because if I hit there, I will be on my side. You'll be dragging me on my side. Oh, look at this.
Yeah, I know. If it was one side, it was the other. Is that a locking beaner?
Yeah.
Go ahead and lock her. There he goes, make the loop. He's packing it down as good as he can so we can pull us through there. I want to zoom in on this. We got climbing ropes pulling us.
Your truth, save our youth. You got
gas,
proof you're on the move. Speak it loud, gather crowds. Tell them how it's here and now. Whoa, yeah.
There goes the climbing ropes. I don't know. You're the second one to come out here and get stuck.
Well, I didn't get a friend out. Pull a brother out.
Getting some action.
Yeah, make the camera level with the truck.
Oh, there's the levelness.
Destroy it.
There we came up. There we came
Well,
up.
we're up to that.
Now we're gonna go over here and play.
Yep, well. Whoa! Just kidding.
We're home safe. The end to Dumb and Dumber's Excellent Adventures back on Kevlar Pass, Ohio Pass. The adventure only cost us $200. So for a good time, follow us.
Signing the check.
Signing the check.